Hey traders, it's John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com, and in this video I'm just going to give you a quick sort of overview of what's been happening in the last month or so on the S&P 500 and what that means looking forward. Anything I do say in this video is general advice only. My throat is absolutely killing me right now, but I'm still doing my trading and still looking at the markets and stuff like that, and still give you guys the updates that I see. So anyway, I feel like I've got some big ass horse cock in my throat. But anyway, I've got some green tea, some lemon water here, so hopefully that will sort of help it as well too. Anyway, so let's actually move forward here. What I do see on the S&P 500, you can actually see what happened last night, right? I actually put a video out yesterday saying, hey, here's a little market came down, came back up, and then closed higher. That's actually pretty strong. We can see it actually opened lower. It opened lower and then came all the way down. If you look at the hourly chart completely broke its overall sort of trend to the high side. You can see that trend broke through there. Now it's there stepping down with a nice little bar coming down. So that actually shows us that we should get another down day tonight. But overall, looking at that, if we look at let's say the 4-hourly chart, let's see if that's saying anything to us. Nothing, not really. I can't see anything there on the 4-hourly chart. On the 2-hourly chart, no, nothing there as well too. But on the weekly chart, once again on the weekly chart, if we look at the weekly chart, we're just really in this overall sideways momentum, sideways movement here, and it's like, where are we going to break? Is this going to be like a head and shoulder pattern? If you guys don't know what the head and shoulder pattern is, it's simply like that could be the left shoulder there. That could be the head, and this could be maybe a right shoulder if it sort of comes down a bit from here. But that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. It happening. It's going on right now. That's what I'm looking at. What's happening in the market right now. So, but let's actually have a look at overall this daily chart. And I want to show you something that's actually caught my eye. And I want to show you, let me just get the right line, and you can see here, right, if you have a look right, this is the last trough. This made a higher trough, and this now made a lower trough. This made a lower peak, and now this made like an equal peak. So overall, if you're looking at the peaks and troughs, because remember, the peaks and troughs are the ones that really show you the overall direction in the markets. The peaks and troughs are the ones that actually show you what's really going on in the markets, okay? Because that's all the market does, is peaks and troughs. The market's making higher peaks and higher troughs, the market's going up, as you can see, it steps up. That's how the market works. The market's going down, it's as simple as that. It's not difficult. The market's not difficult at all. So yeah, and so right now we're making a lower peak, and the markets continue to run down. And so basically looking at the hourly chart as well too, we should be getting, and on the daily chart we should be getting another down day here tonight as well. So that's looking on for the short term, and on the overall picture here on the actual markets itself. So anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you do want to know the biggest mistakes that most traders make, because it's really important for you if you want to get ahead in the markets. I've been involved with the markets now for 10 years, and I get coaching off guys that make millions of dollars, actually $26 million to be exact. They're private traders, and they teach me these things, and I've learned these things over the last 10 years, these mistakes. And so what I want you to do right now is I want you to click on this image up the top here right now. That's going to take you to another page where you can check out and download the ebook and the video that walks you through the top 13 mistakes. I actually walk you through them. It's not in a sort of sales pitch or anything like that. I actually give you, and I walk you through the top 13 biggest mistakes that actually helps most traders out there when getting involved in the markets. And the more you can stop making those mistakes, the better you'll be long term. So anyway guys, this is John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.